But inside these bars, there's no one to trust. She dreams of the sky so high and blue, a world away from this cage's view. Her heart beats wild with every note. She won't be tamed, no, she refuses to gloat. Melodies trapped, unheard, unsung. Her spirit's wild, she's always sprung. No cracker's worth her liberty, no corner perch, no jangling keys. Polly's got eyes on skies so vast, she'll chase the wind, she's meant to last. You crave the skies with all your might, before the refrain, not that kiss. You let me tempt the string, check her listening down the Escher vein. You talk her through the whistle head. Oh, this diva's gotta read the Melodies. Not content with just a treat, your wings are strong, the air is sweet. You long for freedom, won't be beat. This bird has got her own heartbeat. Nothing's for me. Knows her Polly just won't sing along. She'll never stay caged in that realm of rush. She's gotta break free. Feathers alight with dreams of endless azure flight. Wings aflutter, eyes ablaze, a winged rebellion set to craze. Polly's found her